That's right, ladies and gentlemen. Day 8. That's right. Take a look. You see how fast it is. In fact, I'm not even going to go upstairs. I'm just going to do a quick walk around so you can see how fast Affinity Construction works. Extremely fast. Look at that. Beautiful. Like I told you previously, the craftsmanship, it speaks for itself. Look at that. Sturdy. Wow. Beautiful. And this is just the 8th day. Again, if you want it done right, contact Affinity Construction. See that? This is the basement. Tomorrow we take the braces off. Like I said, and what more can I say? The work speaks for itself. Look at that. Beautiful. Roof is almost done. Tomorrow should be done. Bay window. I mean, this is what you want. So, if you need a good contractor, you're looking for a good company, look no further. Affinity Construction. Call the number. One call, that's all. There's no job too small, there's no job too big. Just make that call, and we'll do the rest. Day 8. We'll see you tomorrow in the next video. Take care. Affinity Construction. Building a better tomorrow today.